In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom emojis in Slack, a fun and personalized way to make your communication more expressive and relatable. Whether you're using Slack for work or personal projects, custom emojis can add a touch of humor and creativity to your conversations. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Slack workspace. You can do this by navigating to the Slack app on your computer or mobile device, or by visiting slack.com in your web browser and signing into your workspace. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of your screen where the navigation bar is. This is where you'll find the channel list and also where you'll access most of your workspace functions. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll see a small arrow next to your workspace name. Click on this arrow and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you're looking for the option labeled Customize Slack. Selecting this option will open the customization page in a new tab on your browser. Now that you have the customization page in front of you, you'll see several tabs across the top, such as Emoji, Themes, and Menu. Go ahead and click on Emoji, as this is where we'll be creating our custom emoji. On the Emoji page, you'll see a button that says Add Custom Emoji. Click this button, and a new panel will appear, prompting you to upload a file. You can create emojis from images you have saved on your computer, so go ahead and click Upload Image to select the image file you'd like to use. Keep in mind that images work best if they are small and feature simple designs. Slack will automatically resize larger images to fit, but it's a good idea to select something that's clear and easy to see at small sizes. After you've uploaded your image, you'll need to give your new emoji a name. Type the name you'd like in the field provided. This name is how you'll refer to your emoji in Slack. Remember to use a clear and concise name, usually preceded by a colon, for example, my emoji, to make it easy to use during chats. Once you've entered a name, simply click the Save button and your emoji will be added to the Slack emoji library. Now, you can find your custom emoji in the emoji picker under the Custom Emoji section, and you can easily insert it into any messages you send. And there you have it. That's how you can create custom emojis in Slack. This is a great way to inject some personality and make communication more enjoyable. And with practice, you'll soon be creating a whole gallery of unique emojis tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.